In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Turo account. If you recently changed your legal name, noticed a typo on your profile, or need to update a business name, Turo handles these changes through a simple help form rather than a regular profile edit. I'll walk you through it from start to finish and share a few tips to make sure your request gets processed smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Turo. You can type the brand name into your search engine. When results appear, look for the official Turo website. Make sure the link is the correct domain and you see the secure lock icon in your address bar. This helps ensure you're on the legitimate site and keeps your account information safe. Once you're on the Turo homepage, log into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that step as usual. It's best to do this on a trusted device and network to keep your personal information secure. After you're logged in, head to the top of the screen and select your profile picture. If you haven't uploaded a photo, you might see your initials instead. Click it to open the drop-down menu, then choose Get Help. This takes you to Turo's help experience, where you can access request forms and support articles. In the Help search field, type the phrase Update Name Form. Spelling matters here, so enter it just like that. You should see a result that allows you to submit a name update request. When you select it, a form should appear from the right sidebar. Give the page a moment to load. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slightly or check that it hasn't opened as a panel on the side. Now complete the form carefully. Enter the email address associated with your Turo account so support can match your request. In the description box, clearly state what you're updating and why. For example, a legal name change, correcting a misspelling, or updating a business entity name. Provide your new legal or business name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Next, upload clear photos of your driver's license as required. Make sure the images are sharp, well-lit, and fully visible with no glare or cropping. Follow any prompts about front and back images if requested. If Turo asks for additional documentation, attach those as well. When everything looks accurate, click Submit. You'll usually receive a confirmation and, after review, an email with the outcome or next steps. Keep an eye on your inbox and be ready to reply if support needs clarification. That's it. You've successfully requested a name change on your Turo account.